From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
It's already turning cold out there, and it's going to be a really chilly night as we head deeper into the overnight and the early morning hours of our Wednesday. Here's your hourly breakdown for the rest of tonight. Dropping on through the 20s toward the lower 20s for a large number of us as we head toward daybreak on our Wednesday morning. Maybe a few folks into the mid-20s over northwest Alabama. Also would not be shocked if a few locations in southern middle Tennessee briefly hit 18 or 19 tonight. This is going to be one of those nights where you probably need to drip the faucet just in case. Not a big issue with frozen pipes, but just in case, drip that faucet here. Here are forecast lows for tonight. I've dropped these a couple degrees compared to what it had at 5 o'clock because of calm winds, clear skies, and dew points then. We're already dropping into the upper teens, so I think it's very likely at least lower 20s over all of southern middle Tennessee. However, I would not be shocked at some upper teens here, especially in our sheltered valley locations that are really able to be efficient with the radiation cooling overnight, and then low to mid 20s likely over northwest Alabama as well. But the good news is there's a moderating trend ahead with more of a southerly component to the wind going into our Wednesday, and with plenty of sunshine still, we'll warm to the mid to upper 50s by the afternoon, and we actually have 60s in the forecast as we head forward. Most of Wednesday will be mostly sunny, clouds increasing late in the day or into the evening and moving in overnight. Staying dry, I think, for most of our Thursday, but rain is very likely Thursday night. It's nearly a 100% chance, and we probably will bump it up to 100% chance once we get the higher resolution data in. But rain likely Thursday night, lasting into Friday morning, probably tapering off into the afternoon, but a lingering shower possible during the overnight hours up Thursday. Maybe some 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder. No severe storms expected. And then lingering shower for Friday. Another low pressure rides up the front over the weekend that may bring a few showers to the area Saturday into Sunday, but we are in the process of lowering the rain chances for the weekend because it's looking more and more like the weekend rain chances may stay suppressed off to the south just a little bit, but still really elevated rain chances going into Thursday night. We have it at 90% now, but again, we may be raising that once this gets into our higher resolution model data. Lingering showers into the first half of Friday, and then another chance of some scattered showers Saturday into Sunday. We won't taper off the rain chances completely yet, but these are in the process of lowering instead of trending upward, but we'll watch that the next few days just in case. With the lowering rain chances for the weekend, these numbers have trended lower also. This is the forecast rain totals from the National Weather Service. This is for the next 7 days. The values of 1 to 2 inches you saw on yesterday's forecast depended on both systems affecting our area. Since the weekend system is trending farther south, that means these numbers have trended a little lower, mainly between a ½ inch to just over an inch of rain, and most of that, not all of it, but most of it coming Thursday night into the first half of our Friday. Warmer temperatures are on the way though, mid to upper 50s starting tomorrow, lasting through Thursday, into the low to mid 60s Friday and the weekend before that front moves through and knocks us back to the mid to upper 50s early next week. But as we head to early December, that's actually the average daytime highs for this time of year. So not trending overly cold as we head into the first part of next week. Your hourly forecast for tonight continues to drop through the 20s, getting into the lower 20s as an average for most of us, but some parts of southern middle Tennessee could be as cold as the upper teens tonight, and then some locations just south of the Tennessee River in North Alabama with that little light northerly fetch, just like last night, could be closer to the mid-20s, but I think all of us at least well down into the 20s tonight, but we moderate quickly tomorrow with sunshine. We'll be into the 50s by the afternoon. Kids headed toward the bus stop in the morning, head towards school, really need to bundle up. We'll be well down to the 20s to start the day with clear skies, but they'll need to take off that jacket or have a lighter jacket by the afternoon, up into the mid to upper 50s with mostly sunny skies as kids head home from school by the afternoon hours. Mid to upper 50s tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. Clouds increasing tomorrow evening and overnight, mostly cloudy for Thursday. Maybe a few periods of sun here and there, but rain likely. Maybe a shower by the afternoon, but rain likely overnight Thursday night. Maybe a rumble of thunder, some 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts possible. No severe storms expected. Morning rain ends on Friday, but maybe a stray shower during the afternoon, and then a chance of a few showers over the weekend, but these rain chances trending lower not higher, and then clearing skies going into the first part of next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Lunas in the Weather Center tomorrow morning starting at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.